Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can create QR codes for your presentations in PowerPoint, so let's get right into it. Now, if you want to create a QR code that links to your presentation, first what you're going to need to do is host your presentation somewhere online so that your clients or whoever it is can scan the QR and download it or view it online. It could be either Google Drive or whichever sort of app you want. It can even be Google Slides, which is sort of very similar to PowerPoint. So you will need to host it there so that you can actually link the presentation to somebody. If it's just a file on your computer, people won't have access to it even though they have some sort of QR code. It's just simply not going to work. So first of all, you're going to want to do that, or if you want to insert your QR code into your PowerPoint presentation, you can also do that. You do have the option in newer versions. I have a very old version of PowerPoint. In newer versions, you do have the option of adding add-ons into your PowerPoint presentations, and you can very easily add an add-on for QR codes, which will generate QR codes within PowerPoint itself, or you can just grab a link. For example, I grabbed a link of a stock YouTube video and I created a QR code using an online QR code creator. There are many of them, so you can use whichever QR code creator or generator you want. And once you've done that, what you're going to want to do is, once you're in PowerPoint, once you generate your QR code, you're going to want to screenshot it first. So once you've screenshotted it using the snipping tool or whatever you have on your operating system, you can then go and insert that QR code as an image in PowerPoint by just going to insert and going into picture. And once you're there, you just want to locate your QR code. For example, mine is somewhere here. Let me just grab it. There we go, QR, and just click insert. And as you can see, my QR code is inserted into my presentation. I did this because my version of PowerPoint, as I've said, is older, but as you can see, I can still insert PowerPoints. I still can't remove the background. Let me try to remove it using the tool here. It'll just remove the entire QR code. But yeah, as you can see, that's how you insert it. You can insert customized ones if you have an add-on, but that is pretty much how you create QR codes in your PowerPoint. Now, just to show you guys, this is what it looks like. This is the link to the YouTube video that I have linked, and I just went to URLs and created a QR code, screenshotted it, and added it to my PowerPoint. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.